Hey, this is Brad with 4D Tech. Today we're on a Ram 1500 pickup. We're going to show you how easy it is to pop in one of our start-stop eliminators so that you don't have to hit the button every single time you get in the vehicle. Let's get started. Now we'll go locate the gateway module below the driver's side dash, which you can see right there. To install the start-stop eliminator, we'll simply reach up under the dash, find the gateway module, which is this black box, and there is a 8-pin connector and a 12-pin connector. We're going to disconnect the 12-pin connector. On the driver's side, we'll use our thumb to depress the little release, grab it with our hand and wiggle out at the same time. Pull that down so we can access it. Here's a slightly better view of the connector with that release tab right there. And then we'll simply plug the start-stop eliminator in line with this harness, making sure both sides snap firmly into place. Now the install is complete. Now that the install is complete, we'll go ahead and start the vehicle for the first time. And as you can see, each time we start the vehicle, it'll automatically turn the auto start-stop system off. At any point in time, if you'd like to turn it on for that drive cycle, simply press the button and re-enable the system. Now you see how easy it is to pop in one of our start-stop eliminators from 4D Tech. I'm Brad. Thanks for checking out our video.